So if you're a YouTube creator and they are using AI tools or even thinking about it, please listen carefully. AI can save you hours of work and can help you to grow your channel. But if you use it the wrong way, YouTube's new policy can take away your monetization over the night, even if you've done nothing wrong in your mind. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use AI tools the right way on YouTube without risking demonetization. I also explain to you why YouTube punishes bad AI use, what kind of content is at risk, and of course step by step on how to work with AI safely. YouTube recently updated its monetization policy. One big focus now is fighting what they call inauthentic and mass-produced content, and this is because many creators are just letting AI generate generic videos and flooding the platform with robotic voices and content that feels fake and lazy. Advertisers have complained because they don't want their ads on those kind of videos. Viewers don't even watch those videos for long, and then YouTube loses credibility. So that's why they are about to start bringing down those channels or even letting them lose their monetization. Let's make this very clear. AI is not banned on YouTube, but lazy AI is. Example of bad AI use is copy pasting ChatGPT scripts word to word with no editing, using AI voiceovers that sound robotic and unnatural, making slideshows with stock pictures and no credibility, uploading dozens of repetitive videos. And of course, a good example of good AI use is using AI to brainstorm ideas, but you write your own story. Drafting scripts with AI, then rewriting them in your own voice. Do you understand? Creating thumbnails or bureaus with AI, but customizing them. Using AI to speed up editing, but not replace yourself. So this is how you can use AI the right way. Here are 6 best principles to use AI to safely without risking your channel. Number 1 is use AI to do your research and brainstorming. AI can save you time when you come up with topics. For example, you can ask, what are the 10 trending topics for small creators in Nigeria in 2025? Number 2 is draft scripts and rewrite in your own words. AI can help you to draft outline and your first drafts. But of course, do not just copy and paste what it gives you verbatim. Here is what you can do. For example, here is what I do. I ask Gemini for a script, then I rewrite to include my own examples, my tone, my perspective, and that's why it feels like me and not robots or even AI. Use your own real voice whenever possible. Even if you run a faceless channel, try to record your own voice. Robot voices are one of the biggest red flags for YouTube viewers. So if you don't like your own voice, there are even apps to help you to sound more polished and it's still your own voice. Customize AI generated visuals. Tools like Midjourney, Canva can help you to make beautiful thumbnails or graphics. But don't just take the images as it is, edit it and add your own branding and make it unique. Use AI to edit faster. Editing can take hours, and AI tools like Canva, CapCut tools can clean up audio, remove filler words, or even add subtitles automatically. So this doesn't hurt your originality, it just saves you time. Number 6 is please engage with your viewers yourself. Even if AI can write your descriptions, your title, your tag, make sure to actually engage with your viewers yourself. Reply comments, ask questions, be human. Viewers and YouTube will notice. So I would like to add again, here are some mistakes you would like to avoid. Please never use AI to make your entire video. Never post dozens of similar videos with minor changes. Never use robot voices for narration. Never just copy what everyone else is doing. These are the fastest ways to get flagged. See, here is my workflow with AI, and here is what I personally do as a Nigerian creator. Number 1 is I use AI for topic ideas based on my own audience. Next, I draft my script, then I rewrite it to sound like me. I record with my own voice. I use Canva for thumbnails and of course customizes. I use AI editing tools like CapCut to save my time. Of course, I try as much as possible to engage in the comment section myself. So this balance has kept me authentic while still saving me hours of work. So YouTube wants originality. Your viewers want personality. AI is just there to help you. So if you've learned something new today, please like this video, subscribe to my channel for more tips on AI, and of course, most importantly, do not forget to watch my next video where I'll be talking about 5 smart ways to use AI to avoid demonetization. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.